Hi and welcome to my channel Superlink. So today we're going to talk about this eyepiece revolver for 2-inch eyepieces. This is a 2-inch eyepiece. See how big it is? Okay, so we install it like this. Now when I got it, it has a problem. Okay, it's a very nice one, by the way. Okay, this thing is just something little and that does not count even. Okay, this mistake. Okay, but anyway, there's a fix that I've done to this eyepiece revolver. This eyepiece revolver, I'm gonna put the purchase link from AliExpress down in the description. Please go and buy it. Okay, it's a really nice one, and you can see this is an Astronomy 130Q, which only takes 1.25-inch eyepieces, the smaller eyepieces. Okay, something of this size. Okay, this size. Okay, so this is 1.25-inch eyepiece. Now, and this is I'm showing is not an eyepiece, it's just a tearing, but they have the same shaft size. So the shaft size is 1.25-inch. Okay, this is a T adapter for DSLR cameras. Okay. Now, the mistake in the manufacturing was silly, really silly. All you have to do is just unscrew the screw inside here from the middle. Okay, the middle in the center. Okay. Then you have to add another roundel similar to the one that's below the screw that you're seeing right now. Because I'm going to show you another roundel I have. Okay. And you have to put that roundel from inside. Okay, and rescrew the revolver. And if you don't know what a revolver, what a roundel is, this is a roundel. Okay, so this is a roundel. Okay, so here, look with me. Okay, just for you to understand it more. Okay. So here, as you can see, it has two parts. The disc, there are two discs on top of each other. This internal disc, okay, and this one on the top, okay. Okay. So those two discs on top of each other, you'll see like here, this hole, this is the screw hole that from the other side is the same screw. Okay, so you just put the roundel and the screw together, okay, from inside. Okay, of course you put the screw from outside, put the roundel from inside, and then rescrew. Okay, and that will help you make the rotation and the revolution, okay, of the eyepieces smooth and easy. Okay, without any troubles. Okay, and you can see now here how I'm revolving it. So it's so smooth, you won't be hearing any click stops. Okay, actually, like there's and usually in revolvers, like once you reach an eyepiece, it will click. So those are the click stops. Okay, so this one, I removed the click stops from it by just adding this roundel because it made it higher. Yeah, I mean there's more spacing between the two discs. Okay, and one roundel is more than enough. Okay, it's very enough. Okay, you may add a second one just in case if you're not happy with it. Okay, well, one is more than enough for it. Okay, this I don't know if I told you, this will cost you with FedEx to Lebanon, to Beirut, Lebanon, like from Hong Kong, around $130. Okay. Now, because as you can see also that the eyepieces, like there's a one that's longer than the other. Okay, see, they have different lengths, they are not of the same length. Okay, so in order to use it, okay, First, let me explain before telling you how to use it completely. Okay. Unfold. So here, because this telescope is Astromaster 130Q. Okay. It only takes 1.25 inch eyepieces, like I'll show you. Okay. So what we do in order to make it run, okay, make the revolver run on the telescope, we use a converter. This is like, or an adapter, whatever you like to call it. This side here is a cup, okay, similar to this one. This one. Okay, so this size is 1.25 inch. This size is the 2-inch size. Okay, and you just install it like this. Okay, the shaft, and then you put the revolver. Okay, and also don't forget to add here a barrel lens. Okay, 2 times 1.5 time is more than enough, but it's now not available anymore. Okay, market does not sell it anymore. Okay, so buy the 2 times eyepiece barrel lens. Okay, and another thing on the way you better use it. Okay, I know you might like or you can discover them. Okay, but I'm showing you from now, as long as you're seeing this video. Okay, so and it's our hobby anyway, we're having fun. So you stand this way. Okay, so you stand this way here. Okay, from this side. Okay, and put the disc going to the outside, you know, like towards the mouth of the telescope. Stand like this. Why I'm doing this? Because if you look at me, see here, my when I wink, I use this left eye, not the right eye. Okay, it's hard for me to wink the other side. Okay, so stand like this. The eye will be on the top of the eyepiece, like this. Okay, and then you can simply easily revolve it. Okay. That's it. Okay. Thanks for watching. Now, by the way, those cups here, this part can be removed, and you can install your eyepiece directly on it. But this way, you will be losing the possibility or the ability. Okay, you'll be losing the ability to install the 2-inch filters. Okay, something like this filter. Okay, because those usually must be installed, if you like, as many know, I mean, they will be installed beneath the eyepieces directly. Okay, but this part here, from here to here, this one can be uninstalled. Okay, they can be unscrewed, and then you rescrew the eyepiece directly on it. Okay, this has the same size. Okay. And voila. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Okay, bye.